Okay, so this is my ad hoc M9 qual target. This is a 6x6 head square, and this is the 10-inch circle. The little Sharpie marks indicate how far out the 10-inch circle goes. It's basically the 6 ring on this particular target. So just threw this shit together. Now we're going to try it. Big rock is 7 yards. I'm going to use a tripod as a phone holder / timer. It's the poor man's alternative to a friend. Okay, so strings 1 and 2. Just standing normally, concealed on the beep, draw, 2-shot circle, 1-shot head. Do that twice. .84 seconds. It's really great. My phone's all fucking sideways. Cool. One guard. .44 seconds. Here is my barricade. Let's use this as a barricade like so. Okay. Barricade. So I'm going to be right here on the beep. It's going to be draw. Right, so I don't know, it's not really fucking tall enough. Holy shit. What a disaster. So here's my barricade, here's my shooting spot. I guess I'm going to draw and I'm going to put the barricade right in front of me, so I actually have to go around it, sort of, even though I could just go straight over it. This is super dumb. This is working out so fucking well. Plus I'm shooting on a hill. That just makes it more fun, really. Okay. On the beep. 10 seconds to make 2 shots center, 1 shot to the head from the right side of the barricade. So I guess I'll draw and then just sort of lean it over like so. Yeah, so I'm going to start here, and then after I draw, I'll lean. Why not? .6, could have slowed that down quite a lot. Definitely shanked at least one of those. Let's go again. .3. So it's got 10. It's download by 2. 8, by 2. Ooh. I've never seen that before. Dude, this mag is fucked. So this one's going to be a string of 6 rounds on the beep. Draw, fire 1, 2, 3. Kneel to reload. Stand back up 1, 2, 3 again, I think. Fuck, I already fucked that up. .17 seconds. Wow. Oh, that was a fuck up. Forgot. Oh, shit, I forgot to kneel. God damn it. Here's my barricade. Start barricade in front of me, draw and lean over. 5.2. Definitely need to slow it down. That wasn't slower. That was faster. You fucking moron. Slow. Oh, God, it was a little slower. Why not? Fuck this barricade shit, dude. So on the beep, draw, fire, take cover behind the barricade, reload, come back out and fire. In 10 seconds. I had 25 seconds, right? Holy shit. My understanding is this is weak side of barricade, it's not weak hand. Okay, on the beep, 1, 2, 3, 2 strings. .7, Jesus Christ. .9 seconds. Damn it, dude. Holy shit. Oh God, there's all sorts of shit over here. Or just gross mushrooms, I guess. Whatever. What am I doing again? Okay, on the beep, draw 3 shots to the circle. Then take a knee, 3 shot circle. .6 seconds. And that's the game. So I can already see that's, I'm gonna give myself that one. It's breaking the line, right? Come on, it's gotta be worth something. So that's -1. This one's off the circle because this is the circle, so that's -1. That one breaks the line of the circle, so that one counts. And were there any all the way off the paper? I don't. So there's one more here, so -1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 45 shots, all on paper. We got 1, 2, 3 outside the bounds. 42 out of 45.